Bug bounty questions.
Exterminated.
Hi! Welcome to another episode of your Bug Bounty Questions Exterminated. What do we have today, Frankie boy? Let's see. We have a question from Diva Litra. That's nice, Diva Litra. We have a plant called Diva and she needs a Litra. So hey, are hackers also providing suggestions on how to fix the problem? Yes, unlike CVD where people can report anonymously, here you have the hackers in our platform which you can communicate with. So that means that if they give you a report and you're not sure how to solve it, you can just talk to them. If you don't get the right answer, you can also talk with our triage team or whatever. So yes, hackers and our team will help you try to fix the bugs if you have an issue with them. So that's cool. We did get a lot of comments of people who said our show was a bit too harsh for kids. So we're gonna make it nice and nice. We have the bug. If you have a bug, you put it in a tiny box, like this. And then you put the tiny box in another tiny box, like this. And then you put it in another tiny box, like this. And in the end, you put it in a tiny box, like this. And then you throw it away. Bye.